Hey Laura. Did Hey Kim, do they sell canoe paddles where you got that serving? Steer, girl! See? You better paddle, your Bluetooth's breaking up.
Is that how you get up there?
Garrett's a rock climber.
Garrett, I'm using all his old muscles.
Please don't fall, Garrett.
Right there. Good test. Good. You passed, Johnny.
Scared, chicken?
Where the current's at.
Animal!
Hey, somebody ever go through a road through here?
No.
Sometime today.
I'm not a big fan of cans. Bottles.
Doggy paddles.
I think we should stop soon.
Yeah, we've gone probably 200 yards.
Come on. I need my whistle.
There you go.
Safety dance.
Yeah.
I didn't. So, deal with you, I guess. I was in the front of this thing like something.
Who? Kim? Kim? Oh, Diana, you hold my bag, I'll flip this. Hold my bag.
Look how dry her hair is. You're hitting a rough patch there, Tim.
Okay, I'm wet.
We're just floating.
You boys need a ride?
Where's that kayak cop?
Oh, I go to the right. Yeah, oh yeah. You guys are in the ditch. You're coming up now.
Hook it straight up.
That one. Rock. Oh, Tim and Kim are headed right for it. Looks like Johnny and Nick tipped again. These guys are expert canoeists.
I'll drag you again. I'll go around you. Like them boats, you know. One way, Kimberly.
I don't know if he was trying to sink them or what was he doing.
Nick said something last night like he inherited us or something.
Well, you know,
He looks like he needs a kayak in his life.
Didn't Johnny and Nick say they were going to beat everybody here?
Yeah, so much for that. I think karma.
Did you guys lift again?
No.
What happened?
We were just chilling. They just said, hey, let's just flood here like Garrett was. Taking our time. I
Just
said,
chilling.
I said it better myself.
this bunch of chill guys.
I wasn't allowed to drive.
I see that.
She's trying to get away.